Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you the Insert Object method. This is the pro way to permanently bake an image into your drawing so it never goes missing again. Let's get into it. Step 1. Run the Insert OBJ command. First, go to your command line in AutoCAD and type Insert OBJ and hit Enter. This opens the Insert Object dialog box. This tool allows AutoCAD to host actual file data rather than just a path to a file. Step 2. Create from File. In the pop-up window, select the radio button for Create from File. Click the Browse button and navigate to the image you want to embed. Crucial step. Do not check the link box. Leaving this unchecked is what tells AutoCAD to embed the data permanently instead of creating a reference link. Step 3. Place the image. Click OK. Your image will appear in the center of your workspace or at your cursor. Unlike standard images, this is now an OLE object. You can click and drag it to move it exactly where you need it on your plan or title block. Step 4. Scale and resize. Because this is an embedded object, scaling works a little differently. Click the image to see the black square grips on the corners. Click and drag these grips to resize the image. Pro tip: if the image looks slightly distorted, right-click it, go to Properties, and ensure the lock aspect ratio is set to yes, so your proportions stay perfect. Step 5. Confirm the permanent status. To prove the link is gone, type XR for the External References Manager. You'll notice your image isn't listed there. That's because it's no longer an external file. It's part of the DWG's internal code. You can now delete the original image file from your computer, and it will still show up perfectly in AutoCAD. It's the best way to ensure your logos and site photos stay exactly where they belong. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.